Hello everyone and welcome to the social media sales tool video. My name is Abimola Ojo and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a how-to content.
But first of all, I would like to talk about a way I have actually been going about creating my posts. So here is my content generator folder, and inside I have images, posts, words or quotes basically. And inside the images folder I have all the different types of images that I mentioned somewhere in the course. So I have folders for each of them, and as you can see in each of them I have numbers. I think I have about 42 pictures here of engines, and food I have about 51, and something similar to landscape I think I have about 61 images for that. People and faces I have about 106 pictures. Products and services, just abstract, about 61 pictures, and same goes for seasons and the reserve pictures. Basically this actually helps me to cut down on my time spent on my weekly activities. So and I have also included this content generator folder for every of my student that has a copy of the social media sales tool. Okay, all of you guys gonna have a copy of this folder, all designed like this with all these name tags. So as you're creating posts, like take for example the how to or educational post, this is under the hold on one second, this is under the posts. So we have the use posts under each of the type of posts. Okay, and there are two other things that are really important here. They are the color wheels. They are actually used to make sure that the posts that I create and the words inside of them come out and you can easily read them basically. So the picture and the words don't share the same color, because if they do, you're not going to be able to see what exactly is being written on the pictures. That's why I have the color wheel here to discern that. So under customer feedback post, I have I think I have a social validation here. I munch this. Okay, this is about a follower telling me I have awesome content, and asking me to become acquaintance with him or whatever. So same thing goes for this. We have used, and I think I have some pictures I kept here. Okay, they're supposed to be in the folder, but just so you see. And for the quotes, I have a list of how to quote and used how to educational quotes. So I have spaces for everything here. And I would also implore you to actually go about utilizing this folder, because it will help you and it's going to make your creating a post a lot easier and seamless. All right, so without further ado, I would like to jump into creating a how to post. So I have my content generator here. All I'm just going to do is open it up and find quotes that I think would be right for me. So here I have, having a skill of some sort is a great must to be successful. So all I need to do here is just cut out this here and go and get me an image that I'm going to be using for that. So I'll go here and let's take for example, I pick one image from the food image type section, and I have, let's pick this one. So I think I think I actually downloaded one. I uploaded food. So I have this one here. So all I'm just going to do is just click on this on my Canva. For you to get your image here, all you need to do is just click on, before then when you open your Canva, you're going to have a screen like this, and you're just going to click on the kind of template you want for your posts. And I would say it's best to just pick this first template here. So upon clicking this, you're going to have this new tab pop up, and in it you're just going to have to click upload your own image, then you can go search for the image and have it uploaded here. Then just click on it once. Well, this is for those of us that don't know how to use Canva. For those that know how to use Canva, I'm sure they'll find Canva very easy to use. It's just more of like you dragging and dropping images and copying and pasting, So there we have it now. We have the main image now, and next thing is just to put the word on it. So I'm just going to click on the text, and I'll click on the subheading, which I use best for post. So because this font size is really great and it's not too small. So I know the image I am using here really isn't relevant, but I'm just going to be using this as an example. So you have your words here. You can actually change the font color here. So I could decide to change it to blue, and you see it's gonna go to blue. I could change font size to about 28. I could change the font to something else. I could choose whatever. So let's see how this looks. So it's like, okay, having a skill of some sort is a must to be successful, but really I wouldn't want to stick with something like this because this just looks like a messed up job. I'd rather go to the color wheel and excuse me, look for a really nice contrasting color to that so we have, okay, here's our color wheel. So I'm just gonna click on this, and I'm gonna try and see. So we have something similar to this color, I believe, and all I need to do is just look to the other side, and I can see some, I think, royal blue. So I'll just click on royal blue and see how that comes out, and it kind of comes out nice. So as you can see, those are contrasting colors, and it just brings it, the whole stuff out. So I could, just turn up, the font size a little bit, and reposition it and make it, align properly. So it makes sense. And if I like, I could, use, I could use basic, editing options and all the rest. So after I'm done, I just need to click download, and once I'm done downloading, I just open the file. Take for example this, and I copy or cut and make sure that I put them at the appropriate place in my content generator folder, because that's what I'm going to use when I'm ready to post. So it's either you do this, but it's best to go to the posts folder and open it, and you see how to, or educational posts, then you can just have it here and paste your image here. So what I do is, in this how to post, I have a folder called used. So any designs that I've made, I cut them and I just put them in the used folder, so I know they've been used. So next time I come here and I don't see images of posts that I created here, I know I have no reserve. So I just need to populate this place. I have and have enough posts there. So when I begin to post on the other tool that I'll be talking to you about soonest, you find it very easy. So that's just about it. I have my images here, I keep it there, and I have this one stored up and created and all the rest, and I could just do whatever I want to do with it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And also, if you have comments or concerns, please just drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And also, I've dropped the link to the social media sales tool video course in the description section. So if you want to get a copy, just click on the link and it's all yours. Thank you very much, and bye bye.